Hi all, I'm Hari from compliance.io. So we have renamed Antenna Technologies to compliance.io. So thanks for the great response that you provided for the other videos that we posted. We got a lot of inquiries through our YouTube videos. Today in this video, we are going to study about the fines and penalties imposed by Zatca if you're not complying with any of the e-invoicing related regulations or the VAT regulations. So Zatca has announced exemption of penalties initiative last year starting from June 2022 till November 2022. You will not be charged any penalties if you are violating VAT related regulations or e-invoicing related regulations. This particular exemption was provided because businesses were impacted by COVID-19. Zatca has extended this exemption of penalties initiative from December 2022 to May 2023 for another 6 months. Say you have enough time till May 2023 to correct all your violations. If you are not complying with any of the VAT related regulations or e-invoicing related regulations, you should do it now. Related to e-invoicing regulations, there are 6 major factors that might get you into penalties or fines. The very first factor is that if you're not printing QR code or not creating QR code in compliance with either phase 1 or phase 2 regulations and issuing to your buyer when the invoice is issued, you will be subject to fines. The second factor is that if you're not archiving your invoices, credit notes or debit notes in the Zatca specified manner, say the file format, the archival period, the 6 years period. So if you're not archiving the invoices, credit notes or debit notes as per the archival regulations, you will be subject to penalties. The third factor is that if you are facing any malfunction and if your software, e-invoicing software is not working and you are unable to issue invoices, credit notes or debit notes, you should inform about this to Zatca. If you are not informing about your inability to issue invoices, credit notes or debit notes, you will be subject to penalties. The fourth factor is that if you are having any prohibited functionalities like editing and deleting of the invoices, credit notes or debit notes after it is issued to your buyer, you will be subject to penalties or fines. And the last factor is that if you're violating any other e-invoicing related regulations, say you are not charging the VAT amount in a right manner, say the current standard VAT rate is 15%, and if you're charging a different percentage, you will be subject to both e-invoicing related regulations and the VAT related regulation violations. So this will also lead you to penalties and fines. So all these penalties are imposed in a particular format. Say this month, February 2023, you are making a violation. This will be your first violation for this year, and you will be given a notice from Zatca, and you will be given 3 months time to correct all your violations and get compliant. So after 3 months, didn't comply with all the regulations, and if you get into the second time violation, you will be charged 1000 riyals as penalty. And this will continue. You will get again 3 months time, and if you continue to make a third time violation, you will be charged 5000 riyal penalty, and for the fourth time it will be 10,000 riyal, and for the fifth, sixth time, each it will be 40,000 riyals in penalties. So you can avoid all these penalties by adopting a compliant e-invoicing solution. So compliance.io has a compliant e-invoicing solution to get your existing ERPs or software systems compliant with the new regulations as per Zatca. So every year penalties count will be reset. say for the particular year 2023 February, you are making the first violation. In February 2024, it will be reset to 0 and you will start with the first violation again. If you are making it, then it will continue with second, third, and fourth, and go on for the next year. So, apart from the e-invoicing regulations, there are also VAT related regulations that you might be violating. Say you have not registered with the VAT to get a VAT number, you are not filing your VAT returns on the specified date, filing the wrong VAT due amount, and you are not paying it, you are not remitting it on time, you will be still subject to fines and penalties. So there are some regulations which overlap with e-invoicing and tax related regulations. Say while e-invoicing you're not charging the right tax amount, you're not precisely charging the tax amounts. Say the tax totals should be up to 2 decimals in precision. You're not following all these things, you will be subject to the VAT related regulations which have different penalties applied apart from the e-invoicing regulations. So to avoid all these penalties and to get a compliant solution, we have the compliance.io's e-invoicing API product, which will safeguard you from all these penalties and get you compliant as per the Zatca's all regulations. So if you're interested to purchase a product to get your existing systems compliant without the need for getting into a new solution for satisfying all these regulations, we are happy to help you with the custom integrations and ready-made integrations that we already have. We can connect with any of your ERPs, say Oracle, SAP, Epic, or Odoo, any ERPs, and get your systems compliant quickly. We have provided the sales related contacts in our description. You can reach out to them through any of our channels. And I hope this video was very informative regarding the penalties and fines about Zatca and how you can get compliant to avoid all these things. If you have any queries, you can post it in the comment section. We will be happy to help you out. Meet you all in another video. Thank you.